Hey guys, welcome. So we bought this fan back, I don't know, about 2 years ago, and the remote control on it stopped working. I'm in my girls' bedroom, so they can't turn it on and off with the remote, so they need to be able to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the remote, and in case you don't know how to do that, I figured you can kind of follow along. The remote itself is on the wall, but there is a sensor unit inside here that receives the command from the remote. So these remotes are kind of cool in that you don't need to have 3 or 4 or 5 different wires coming to the fan in order to make the fan work or to make the light work or whatnot. These remotes, you just need a single source of power like a regular switch, and it will control how fast the fan goes, whether the light dims on or not. And you just have to replace the remote sensor and obviously the remote control with that. So I bought a kit online. Amazon has them. I'm sure that you can find them at the big box store, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. And you go ahead and remove the cover here and replace it. It just takes a few minutes, a few wires and a few connections, and that's all there is to it. So I'll open up the box and kind of show you guys how it works, how it looks. There it is. There is here the receiving unit. And the way it works is you have the regular power coming into the receiving unit. So when you flip the switch on the wall, it is powered up. And you have your neutral and your hot, just like you would for having any other power coming into the wall. Here we use 120 volts. And then on the other end of the receiver, you have the wires that will connect to the fan itself. And then of course a little antenna. This doesn't connect to anything, it just kind of dangles out on its own. So all you have to do is take this cowl here off, this cover here off, take off the old one, take off the switches, take off the wires and reconnect these wires and slide it back in, put the cowl back on, test it, and you're good to go. You just have to make sure that the power stays off while you're doing this. So I'm going to go ahead and start this, and I won't bore you with the whole explanation throughout. That's all that there is to it. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of this and speed through. Here we go. Okay, so it's all put back together. Now I just have to put back in the remote in here. And test it up. Oh, I might need to get some batteries for it too. I'll be back. Okay, I got batteries in here. And I also took advantage of the fact that I got off the ladder here to go and flip on the switch for the fan. So I haven't yet tightened the cowl just in case some wires have not been connected properly. But now that I have batteries in the remote control, I'm going to go ahead and test it out. So first we try the light. Cool, that works. Sometimes you can have the light and you keep on pressing it and it'll dim. Not this remote. And then of course we'll try the fan. High, medium, yep, and then low. Yep, works great. And of course stop. That's really all there is to it. Few wires, and which are all color coded. A few wire nuts, and you test it. I'm going to go ahead and close this up and call it a day. So, thanks for watching. For you guys at home, for Maddie, Sabrina, and Clark, I love you. I hope you appreciate these little things that I do every now and then. And if you want to see any more content like this for you viewers at home, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And also, don't forget, always try to F this up instead of mess this up. Thanks for watching.